The good news, optimism crowned Dalal Street on the first trading session of 2026. We say so because the market breadth, 38-12, favored Nifty bulls. The key positive takeaway was bullish consolidation, with centrally optimism intact, supported by growing expectations of a quarter-point rate cut by both the U.S. Federal Reserve and the RBI. Our call of the day, the second session of 2026 has little in the way of fireworks. Blame it on FII's selling spree which continued in yesterday's positive session to the tune of 3,269 rupees Cr. However, the downside for benchmark Nifty appears well cushioned by a key macro positive, robust GST collections for December at 1.74 lakh rupees crore, reflecting 6.1% year-on-year growth and marking the fastest expansion in 3 months. The steady improvement in tax buoyancy, following the government's rate rationalization in September, offers a constructive backdrop for Indian equities. Long story short, Nifty remains in a zone of bullish consolidation, with optimism alive, downside well protected, and the broader trend favoring patient bulls despite near-term caution triggered by continued FII selling. Market trends. The global cues are neutral. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of rupees 30 to 69 crores while DII were net buyers to the tune of rupees 1526 crores. Sentiments are likely to be bullish for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals suggest a consolidation day. FANO January month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 25,500 and 26,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering near 9.18 levels. At last check, USD INR, January, was trading near the 90.14 levels. Nifty PCR, 27th January, is at 1.04 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 27th January, is at 1.10. Nifty outlook, the silver lining remains firmly in place and centrally optimism continues to glow across Dalal Street supported by growing whispers of another quarter-point rate cut by the U.S. Federal Reserve and the RBI. What technicals tells on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 26147. Biggest intraday support for Nifty is now placed at 26,000 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 26,326 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 26050 and 26250. Bias for the day is neutral. Sensex, CMP 85189. Biggest intraday support for Sensex is now placed at 84,705 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 85,739 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 84,700 and 85700. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 59712. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 59,187 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 60,115 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 59,300 and 60300. Bias for the day is neutral. Stock market news. Bulls were seen excited in high spirits in yesterday's session, as heightened volatility created several high-quality trading opportunities across the board. On the stock-specific front, Larsen & Toubro, Lanty, Hindalco Industries, TVS Motor Company, Titan Company, Shriram Finance, and Bharat Petroleum Corporation, BPCL, scaled fresh all-time highs during intraday trade. Meanwhile, Reliance Industries, RIL, Bajaj Auto, and Indus Towers climbed to their respective 52-week highs, reinforcing the underlying strength in the broader market. Stocks in spotlight. 1. Cigarette stocks sink as government slaps fresh excise duty. Shares of cigarette makers ITC, minus 9.69%, and Godfrey Phillips, minus 17.17%, slumped sharply in Thursday's trade, 1st January, after the government announced a steep excise duty hike on cigarettes, effective 1st February. According to Finance Ministry notification, the new excise duty will range between 2,050 rupees and 8,500 rupee per 1,000 sticks, depending on the length of the cigarette. The move is expected to push up retail prices, raising concerns over potential demand slowdown and margin pressure for cigarette manufacturers. Reflecting the negative sentiment, ITC slipped to a fresh 52-week low. 2. DR. Reddy's Laboratories, minus 1.37%, 1,254 rupees. DR. Reddy's Laboratories slipped 0.87% after its Switzerland-based subsidiary received a complete response letter, CRL, from the USFDA for the biologics license application of its proposed biosimilar AVT03, keeping regulatory overhang in focus. 2. NBCC, India, plus 0.38%, 122 rupees and 15 paise. NBCC, India, gained after the company announced that it has secured multiple construction orders worth 383 crore rupees from Canara Bank and Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti, strengthening its order book visibility.